7 great exercises to enhance your sight. Tired of blurry screens and squinting at text? Say goodbye to eye strain with our simple and effective eye exercises designed to rejuvenate your eyes. Get better eye health and vision naturally with specialized eye workouts. Explore diagonal stretches and circular rotations to strengthen eye muscle and enhance your visual strength. Today I want to share 5 transformative eye exercises that can help sharpen your sight. First, the power of restful relaxation. Before diving in eye strengthening exercises, starting with relaxation is the key. Let's say you've been glued to your computer screen and decide it's time for eye workout. Kick things off by giving your eyes a mini vacation. Close them gently for about 10 seconds, visualizing the tension melting away from your eyes. For an extra layer of relaxation, try palming. There is an how-to video on my channel to get started with palming. Second, embrace dynamic relaxation. Dynamic relaxation serves as an excellent primer for eye exercises. Here is how. Sit comfortably, close your eyes and start swaying gently from side to side. Seek that sweet spot where your body seems to sway on its own and you feel joy and peace. This state not only relaxes your eyes but also eases your mind, setting a perfect tempo for eye movements and exercises to follow. Third, circle gazing for flexibility. One of the most effective exercises involves tracing the outline of a circle. Sketch a circle about 1.5 meters or 6 feet in diameter on your wall. With relaxed eyes, follow the circle edge. Both clockwise and counterclockwise. This simple eye training can significantly enhance your eye muscle flexibility and focus. Fourth, astigmatism, alleviation. This next exercise targets astigmatism, but it's beneficial for everyone, regardless of whether you are nearsighted or farsighted. Start by relaxing your gaze and look upwards for about 3 seconds, then gently close your eyes and let them return to the center. Repeat this to the left, to the right. We avoid looking down since our lower eye muscles are typically overdeveloped from constant downward gazing at phones and computers, contributing to astigmatism. Test this by gently looking up and down under your closed eyelids. You will notice moving downwards is easier, illustrating the imbalance we're aiming to correct. Fifth, myopia treatment eye workout. We stretching eye muscles by diagonals. Six, circular rotation to stabilize eye muscles. Seven, soft blinking. Blinking is perhaps the most crucial eye exercise. Proper blinks facilitate focus adjustments across different distances. Here's the trick. Lightly touch your temples with 2 fingers and blink using only your eyelids. If you don't feel any movements under your fingers, you're blinking correctly. Aim to blink softly every second to keep your eyes refreshed and well rested. Explore the best holistic practices and personalized eye workouts with Eyesight Academy course, a link in the description. And there you have it, 7 eye exercises to start your journey towards better vision naturally. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to subscribe for more eye health enhancing tips. Let's embark on this vision improvement adventure together.